Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into an aesthetic sketch using ChatGPT latest update. Okay, let's get started. First, just open ChatGPT and then make sure your app is already updated to the newest versions. And then next, just tap on this icon on the top left corner like this, and then go to images, this one, like this, and then in here you will see several image styles available like this, and then next just select, and then next just use sketch styles, and then just choose your photo. You can also take a new photo directly using your camera like this, and then once you're done, just tap on done and wait for the process. And okay, like this, your photo instantly turned into a clean and aesthetic sketch like this. And it turns out the results have different positions from the reference photo, but I think the results are still quite good. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.